The time has come for change, from a distribution manager to a wide-eyed adventurer. Click here to subscribe. Vaya con Dios, muchachos. Yeah, man. So the ferry's just lifted the ramp now and run our way to Doñana. As the lads getting all the money together. Right. It went to expensive fare. Went to expensive.
No, te la vas a acabar.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. You go fishing? It's okay, I think. I have a channel on YouTube. I cycle from the UK, France, Barcelona, Valencia. Now I go to Lisbon. I take camera. Portugal. I go Portugal. Lisboa. That's quite a busy little ferry. I guess there's about 30 people on here. 10 euros a shot, 300 euros. It probably goes across every 20 minutes, half an hour. It's his living, isn't it? I do try to talk to the locals, but people really don't like the camera, so must get a bit suspicious. Just think I'm the feds. I don't know why, I'm very excited about today going across this reserve. I think, and myself, I think it's like I'm in the jungle. No. Get me out of here. Yeah, so the national park I'm going through is the national park of Doñana, which is just up from Cadiz on the west coast of Spain. So I'm headed to Uvela tomorrow. It's got an H in front but they don't pronounce it. So I'm going to Uvela, and from then onwards to Lisbon, pick me way to Lisbon. I was going to go to the Algarve, but you know what, the weather's not that great, and I'm going to meet my wife. I need to get a move on, and so that's what I'm going to do. Uvela, then I'm going to pick my way up to Lisbon, which will be quite exciting. So yeah, that's me. All these guys, I think they're all going fishing. So see you around. Okay, gracias, amigo. So it is fairly hard, this sand. I think they let me tyres down a little bit. Let's see how it goes. Actually riding across it. How good is that? That is very good. I've never believed it. Spot on. All these tracks. It's quite difficult with sand. Riding in this sand, it's not easy. There's the boys from the boat. What a great life they've got here. That's what they do, is it? Get a few fish, sell a few fish. It's beautiful here. Hello! Well, I have to say, this is just totally amazing. Pedalling down this beach, never thought my bike would come down the beach, but because it's got skinny wheels, doesn't it? But pedalling down the beach on the bike, beautiful, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? I'm lucky, and I don't even know what's around the corner. It's gonna be great. Sunrise early in the morning. Oh, who sang that? Oh, sing that. these lads must be getting the bait first before they start fishing, so they've got these little, I've never seen them before, but look like little net things. And I'm just watching the water coming in. Yeah, they've got these little sieve things that they're going to probably catch the worms or the bait and use that to catch the fish. Petrus is the name for fish, I think. I was going to ask them how many fish they expect to catch, but with water, I'm not going over there. I was going to say, Quantas Petrus, how many fish? Pescados. Quantas Petrus Pescados? But look, they're enjoying the day. Great. So I've just noticed, right, this guy's got no waders on, so he's just got bare legs. And he's probably got bare feet. And it's minus 55 degrees. Not a chance. Yeah, but he's doing the same thing. I think he's getting his bait first, worms, whatever it is, he's dredging up. Can't say big mussels, but might be the mussels, I don't know what he's dredging up. And because I'm not a fisherman, but he's getting his bait so that he can use that for fishing, I guess. Or, unless I'm totally wrong, and he's actually, that's what he's doing. So I can't see a fishing rod on there. Again, I'm not going to go on that. Because these guys can't speak English, so, and I can't speak Spanish. Although I do try, you know what I mean. But he's double hard, isn't he? He's double hard. This guy is hard. Well, it was just jingle jangling it there, so it may be that he's fishing for mussels to sell on to the restaurants. Because I did have a risotto when I was somewhere. Where was I? I was somewhere, and I ordered a paella, but it didn't come as a paella. It came as like a mussel risotto, fish risotto. But it was all mainly little mussels, little clams. So he's probably might be just fishing for clams. So what we call fishing, will it? We call clamming. He's clamming. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, he's got little shoes on, hasn't he? Still double hard though. Un dia. Ah. Ah, clams. For the restaurants, eh? For the... These clams for the restaurants. Yes, clams. Okay. Doñana. Oh, yeah. That was interesting. So me back wheel totally sunk there. Just getting stuck.